Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tracking with ClickBank, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the ClickBank website and log into your account. Navigate to the account settings section from the dashboard. Locate the tracking IDs option within the account settings menu. Click on add new tracking ID to begin the configuration. Enter a descriptive name for your tracking ID that reflects its purpose. Select the appropriate category for your tracking ID, such as affiliate or vendor. Click the Save button to store your new tracking ID. Next, head to the Reports section of your ClickBank account. Choose the Analytics tab to view your tracking performance. Here, you can see how each tracking ID is performing in terms of clicks and sales. For more detailed tracking, integrate your ClickBank account with third-party analytics tools. Locate the integration settings within ClickBank and follow the prompts to link your preferred tool. Once linked, ensure that your tracking IDs are correctly associated with your analytics platform. Test the integration by making a dummy purchase with your tracking ID. Monitor the results in your analytics tool to verify accurate data collection. Regularly check the performance of your tracking IDs in ClickBank to optimize your marketing strategies. Adjust your campaigns based on the insights gathered from your tracking data. This will help you make informed decisions to boost your earnings and improve your strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.